Malaysia's demographics are characterized by the various ethnic groups that exist in this country. In 2013, the population was 29.95 million, and in 2014, the population was 30.4 million. This showed that population was increased largely. The fertility rate in 2013 was recorded 2.61 children per woman, and in 2014 was recorded 2.58 children per woman. This showed that total fertility rate in Malaysia was decreasing. Let's see the graph of total fertility rate from 2000 until 2014. Objective on this study divide into two, which is general and specific objective. First, general objective of this study is more focused on this topic is to identify the relationship between female education and fertility rate in Malaysia. While the specific objectives are more to give feedback or answer the question from problem statement, to determine the factors that affect fertility rate in Malaysia, to examine the relationship between age at marriage, education levels, health and birth rate with fertility rate in Malaysia. Aging population is one of the problems that faced by Malaysia in modernization era. The aging population occurs when the birth rate and mortality rate is low. The lower fertility can cause the rate to be low. Moreover, education is the most important in our daily life, which people are willing to continue their study. Study of relationship between female education and fertility rate are focusing on Malaysia. The fertility rate of Malaysia shows the decline from 2.3% in year 2008 to 2.0 in year 2013, based on Department of Statistics Malaysia official portal. According to Shirahis 2000, that conducted the study in Japan, shows that the female have the higher education will result the lower fertility rate. The question to be addressed is, first, what is the factor that affects fertility in Malaysia? Second, what is the relationship between age at marriage, education levels, health and birth rate with fertility rate on Malaysia? Conceptual model. Conceptual model are used in the study is fertility rate as dependent variable. Independent variable are age at marriage, health, birth rate, and education levels. Data description. We use fertility rate as manufacture of a collection of data quantitatively. Data for this study is obtained from the webpage of Data Extract World Development Indicators. Selection of the year is based on available data for year 2000 until 2014. The total fertility rate within 14 years from 2000 to 2014 show a significant decline, which is 2000, 2.8%, then in 2014 by 2.0%. Now we can see the graph of fertility rate in 2000 until 2014. It shows the decline rate of fertility. Then we continue with the methodology. There are 6 tests are used in this study, which are OLS regression, normality test, Ramsey reset test, Granger causality test, Poisson regression, and Cox regression.
Created using Powtoon.